So today we've got a little project going on. It's sort of a test panel before I do something bigger. I don't know. We'll find out what it is. But today's project's going to be mutant crystals. I've done some research on this. I've looked into it. I've done on YouTube a million times. On another video I'm going to try and make my own, so then I'm going to see how it works. But today I'm going to be doing it on a tank. I have to bend down, so I'm going to do it on a tank. Let me wind this up. I'm going to do it on this tank. I've had it in the shed for ages. I haven't, there's a Kawasaki sticker on it. I haven't removed the Kawasaki sticker. I've just literally keyed it off, hit it with some cellulose aerosol primer. I'm going to time lapse it because I'm going to put some silver on as a base. Then I'm going to spray this on, and we're going to see, I'll get the camera over closer and see what it does, see if it cracks, reflects and does, and then I'm going to coat it over with a black. I'm going to let that dry, and I can come back in a couple of hours, sand it off, and let's see if the formula works. Fingers crossed. So, the stage we're at the moment, and you have to excuse the red face. I'll show you why. We stood next to that, and it's hot. It's dry. I force dried it, obviously with Big Bertha. I've never done this before, so it's the first time for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on this. You can put it on wet, you can put it on, I think, one coat and leave it to dry, and that's it. And see what it does. See if it does its magic, which is supposed to crack like frost. Give it a go, won't it? It's just the only thing we can do. So I'm not going to put this one slow down. I'm just going to paint it. I'm going to take the camera to have a look, and I will have a closer look at what it's doing. Let's give it a go. That heat is going to kill me. Spraying it like a normal spray, I suppose. Let's go. There's absolutely no skill to it. It has used a full bottle, and I will say the bottle was 20 something pounds, but if I can fix the next problem, which is making it, I think we'll be on a winner. Let's see how it goes, isn't it? It's just full tub in it, full creamy gun. Right, so here's the tank. Now this side definitely seems, apart from there, seems to be doing what it's supposed to do, which is crack. This side, I think it's got to be a learning curve for this one, because I've put the heat too much. So what I'm going to try and do is try and put sticks, little pins in them. So have a go. So what I'm going to try and do is, apparently if you make a hole in it, it cracks and spreads. Yeah, I'm not seeing it doing it yet. Maybe I put too much on, maybe. So that's a nice little pattern. see what that does. Not kind of what I was hoping for, but thinking maybe. So what I've done now is dusted the black on. This side's looking pretty reasonable, apart from the odd patch, bits and bobs. Yeah, this side's a total disaster, I think. But that is again trial and error. I'm doing the trial so that you haven't got to make the same mistakes. But yeah, maybe I put a little bit too much on, considering I put the whole tub on. Definitely, he is a bit ropey. But you know what, I've just dusted a bit of black on it now. I'm going to leave that dry for a couple of hours. I'll come back to it, give it a Scotch-Brite, and see how it goes. Warm soapy water, a grey Scotch-Brite, and apparently just rub it until it comes off. Let's give it a go, see what it does. Believe it or not, it's actually working. It's working. I just think it's not. What is it? Not working as I thought it was going to work. But yeah, it sort of is. As you can see, patches where it hasn't took. I don't know what this is doing. So what I can say is, it's not as easy as it looks on the internet. Here, we've got it nice-ish. I don't know why we're getting patches. A bit of an awkward patch there. I don't know what that is. But I do know not to do that, because that was forced. I tried to force that to dry with that big heater, and it's not. That's how I'd have liked it. But I'm going to candy it over, seal it, just in case, so I can reuse the tank then again and have another go, I think. But yeah, very blotchy, but we'll give it a go, we'll give it a candy. So I'm going to hit it now with some lacquer mixed up with a bit of candy cobalt blue pigments. Otherwise I can't reuse the tank, so give it a go. You'll see it after one coat. It is sort of funky, even the part that I've messed up. But my intention now is put another coat on this in a minute, so I can flatten it all off. I'll flatten it off and I'll try and make my own version of this. I've ordered some fertiliser, and we'll give it a go. And meanwhile, I'll do a bit more research in between. But yeah, would be a good effect if I'd have got it right. There's something wrong with it. I'll get there. So this is where I'm at the moment. Although I messed up a few places, I'm still going to have another go anyway. I actually really like it with the cobalt blue on it. Even to the point of where I've messed up. It's just a little bit different. I'm not going to let it beat me. I've ordered some urea. I'm going to make my own crystals. Mutant crystals, or whatever it's called. And I'm going to give it another go. See if I can stop getting these patches. But I'll figure it out. Till next time. See you later.